Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this good and basic square. I like this square really, and I want to share it with you. This one I made it with this yarn is Lamia mercerized cotton yarn. I use 3mm crochet hook with that. And now I will use Lamia Merino. It's a wool yarn and it's size 2. I will use a 3.5mm crochet hook. It recommends 2 or 2.5, but I will use 3.5. You can use this yarn for summer projects easily. You can make a blouse or bag, or you can use it for pillows. And with this yarn you can make your winter projects and baby blankets if you want. So I want to try this one too. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with a magic ring, but if you want you can start like that too. I want to show you. Just make a slip knot, chain 6, insert your hook into that first chain, grab the yarn and pull it through, chain 3 and work into that space you create. Okay, that's the easiest way. A magic ring is not too hard to make or work with, but if you are a totally new beginner, you can start with the first method. I'll wrap the yarn around my fingers like that. I made a cross. Insert my hook into here, grab the yarn and twist it. Take the yarn and pull it through. I made the magic ring and chain 3. I will work into that magic ring. Now, yarn over, insert my hook here and grab the yarn like that. I start to make a double crochet, okay? But I will not complete it. Yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops and leave these loops like that. And make it one more time. With this I have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull it through from all these 3 loops. Chain 3. Make it one more time. Insert your hook, make it half of a double crochet. Make it one more and one more time. It's totally 3 times and I have 4 stitches now. Yarn over and pull it through from all the stitches. That's our first corner. As you see, we have corners. Okay, between these corners clusters we have 3 chains for this row. Okay, and between these 2 clusters we have 1 chain. Chain 1 and start to make a new cluster. 1, 2, 3. Complete them together. Chain 3. Make 3 double crochet together. Chain 1 again. We made our second corner and we are making the third one now. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 double crochet together. Close this measuring ring and make a chain. Insert your hook into that top of this cluster, okay? Grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. And make one more slip stitch. We will start from this space. Chain 3. We will make the corner again with 3 double crochet together. I have 3 loops. Complete them and chain 2. Starting from this row, we will make 2 chains between these 2 clusters. And here, chain 2 again. Into that one chain space, we will make 3 double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. Make your corner. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 and into here, that one chain space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and make the corner. One, 2, 3, chain 2, make 3 double crochets. Actually, I made a somersault with motifs, squares. You can use this square too if you want. I use solid granny square. You can use this one or another square you want. You can use mosaic square. You can find it on my channel too. Here now it will look good too. Chain 2 and make my last 3 double crochets for this row. Chain 2 and make a slip stitch here. Make one more slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 chain and 1, 2, chain 2, 3, chain 2, and into that 2 chain space I will make 2 double crochets. Okay, I made 2 double crochet here and I will make 3 double crochets into that double crochet stitch. Don't miss this one. It's a little hard to see. Okay, make 3 double crochet and then into that 2 chain space make 2 more. I have totally 7 double crochets now here, only here. Okay, chain 2 and make your corner. Chain 2 again. chain 2 and into that 2 chain space make 2 double crochets, make 1, 2, 3 here, and make 2 more, chain 2, make the corner. I will complete this row, and at the other row I will show you one more time. I'm at the end of the row again. I will chain 2 and join from here, make 1 more slip stitch, chain 3, make the corner, chain 2, into that 2 chain space make 2 double crochets, and make your 7 double crochets, and make 2 more into that 2 chain space. We totally have 11 double crochets here now. Chain 2 and make the corner. Just keep doing like that and make your square as big as you want. And then we will make a different thing for only last row. I'll make it a little bigger and then I show you. I complete the row 6, and for the next row I will that will be my last row, and I'll start into the same space with the same way, chain 3, and make a double crochet here now. 2 chain and make 2 double crochets in the same space. I will not make any chains here. Directly go into that chain 2 space and make 2 double crochet and make your double crochets. You can finish it like that too, but with this method you can join squares together easily. Okay, and I have some attachment videos. You can find them here, anywhere here. Yes. And I will put them into the videos end of the video. Okay, make 2 double crochet here and into that chain 2 space make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. And if you want, you can make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet here too. If your hands are so tight, you can make 3. If your hands are if you are crocheting loosely, 2 is enough, I think. And complete this row like that. I made my last double crochet and now I will close this square properly. yarn. Take a yarn needle, or you can make it with your crochet hook too. You see, that's my first double crochet, that's 3 chain, and that's my second double crochet. I will insert my needle from the second double crochet stitch, and then I will insert my needle into my last double crochet stitch, and I create a stitch here now. That's this 3 chains stitch. If you join this with a slip stitch, it's like there will be one more stitch. For example, you have 30 stitches here. It's like here you have 31 stitches. It looks like that. And when you join these two parts together, two squares together, it will complicate it to figure out this slip stitch, which stitch was the slip stitch. Okay, so close it like that. It will be nice looking and easy joining method. And that's finished. I hope you like this tutorial and you see the difference between them. I made this one with a 3mm crochet hook and 3.5mm crochet hook I use for this one, but that's smaller than that because this yarn is thicker than that. That's so soft. Okay, and if you like, please don't forget to push the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to write the comments about this tutorial or say hi. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.